Hello, welcome to Panisha College of English Education. Today we are going to analyze two of common errors. One is misplaced modifiers. Misplaced modifier. This is a very frequent mistake, and even though you refer or analyze your essays for the second time, you may not be able to understand the error, because actually this is a kind of an L1 interference error. That means we think in Sinhala and we try to transform the idea into English. So when you write your essays, don't make this mistake henceforth. Okay, first one is the misplaced modifier, second one is use of such as or like. So study the sentence. He borrowed a book from a library which was about the positive thinking. So when we read this statement, there is no error at all in appearance, but in reality there is an error. That is, so what is which was about the positive thinking? Yes, are we referring to the library, or are we referring to the book? The positive, which is about the positive thinking, actually we refer to the book. So I borrowed a book. I borrowed a book. This is a subject, verb, object. So we have to describe the object. We have to say something, we have to tell something about the object, not about the library. Therefore, you have to write this sentence as he borrowed a book which was about the positive thinking from the library. He borrowed a book which was about the positive thinking from the library. Second one, I bought a meal from the hotel which was low in calories. So I bought a meal from, a meal is the object, and we try to expand the object telling something about the object. So this is, you have to apply the same principle for this. Then a meal is the meal is low in calories. Therefore, you have to place which was low in calories here. Yes, I bought a meal which was low in calories from the hotel. So don't make this error. Yes, next one, such as and like. We use such as and like to give example, but bear in mind that we do not use like in academic writing. So we use like in speaking. Therefore, don't use like, but the same principle applies for both such as and like. Yeah. Read the example. This is also a common error. Yeah, but this just linger unnoticed. Yes. There are several key reasons for non-communicable diseases, such as the sedentary lifestyle and the deviation from the traditional food recipe or food style. So what is the universal set here? I will explain this in Sinhala. What is the, මොකද්ද මේකේ සරත්‍ර කුලකය? reason කියන සර්වත්‍ර කුලකයේ උපකුලක දෙකක් තමයි මොකද්ද මෙන්න මේකනේ sedentary lifestyle and the deviation from the food style. Therefore, you have to place the subject immediately after the reason. That means immediately after the universal set. Here, then, what is the correct form of the sentence? There are several key reasons such as the sedentary lifestyle and the deviation from the traditional food style for non-communicable diseases. So, don't make this error. So, even though you try to find out the errors after writing USA, sometimes you may not be able to understand these type of errors because these are it's a kind of very the subtle type of errors. සියුම් ආකාරයකට අපිට වරදින දේවල් but still they are errors.